In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Wix to Facebook Shop. To begin, you will need to access the Wix area where you manage your site. Go to your Wix dashboard and take a moment to confirm you are logged into the correct account and the correct website. The dashboard is where Wix gathers the tools for adding features, connecting services, and managing your overall storefront settings. If you already know what site you want to connect, make sure that site is selected before you continue, since the connection will apply to that specific Wix site. Next, you will look for the area where Wix applications are stored and managed. Click Apps. This is an important step because Wix connects many external services through its app framework. When you open apps, you will usually see options that include where to find new tools and where to manage what is already installed. After that, you will move into the place where you can search for the specific application that enables the Facebook Shop connection. Click App Market. This opens the marketplace where Wix lists compatible apps and integrations. From here, you can find the exact app that supports linking your product data to Facebook Shops through a feed solution. Now you will search for the integration by name. Search Facebook Shops by Go Data Feed. As you type, the marketplace should show results related to Facebook Shops and the Go Data Feed connection. It is a good idea to wait until you see the correct listing fully appear, so you are selecting the right app and not a similar one. This matters because the correct app will guide you through the setup that connects your catalog to Facebook in the intended way. Once you locate the correct app listing, you will add it to your Wix site. Click Add to Site. Wix will then begin the installation or connection process. During this step, Wix may ask you to confirm permissions or agree to terms. If prompts appear, review them carefully and proceed only when you are comfortable with the installation details. After you click Add to Site, you will complete the setup. Complete the setup is where the connection becomes functional. The app may require a few choices, such as linking to the correct feed configuration, selecting which products to send, and ensuring the connection is active. Follow along with what you see on the screen, and take your time to make sure the settings match your store. If there are fields for product selection or data preferences, confirm that they reflect your intended catalog for Facebook Shops. While you are completing the setup, pay attention to any integration status indicators that tell you whether the connection is successful. Some dashboards show a completion message once everything is connected properly. If you are given an option to review your configuration, take a brief moment to check it. This helps avoid issues later, such as the catalog not appearing as expected. When the setup is finished, you have effectively connected Wix to Facebook Shop through the selected integration. At that point, your focus should be on making sure your product information flows correctly. If the app provides a way to refresh data or check the feed, use that feature if it is available, since it can help confirm that your latest product details are being sent. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to connect Wix to Facebook Shop using the Facebook Shops by Go Data Feed app.